I've been asked several times if the YBAngry Game Approach works in situations other than couples. It does, and I have the video proof. For this mother and her young adult son, things had been horrible for about 10 years. He blocked her so she could not call him. But that's not the kicker. She stated on Christmas Day, he said, "I wish you were dead." As the greatest conflict resolution coach in the world, my specialty is the YBAngry Game Approach I created. I helped this mother and her 27-year-old son resolve 4 issues in just a few hours. I recorded each of these as part of my "I Wish You Were Dead" series. Get notified as I release all 4 videos over the next couple of weeks, one by one, by subscribing to the YBAngry YouTube channel. That's YBAngry YouTube channel. YBAngry. Just play.